something I discovered that Suunto doesn't even know.
The Suunto 7 and our 48-hour review. Have you watched our unboxing yet? If not, wait till the end of this video and watch it. If you did and you commented, thank you so much. It's helped us navigate through this video. We are looking at your comments and addressing those today. If you didn't comment, make sure you do, because in the next video we are going to be addressing more. Let's try notes.
I need to go to Frankfurt tomorrow.
Also, let us know if you have ordered your Suunto 7, where you are in the world, and when it's expected to arrive.
We gonna take it, gonna take it.
I'm Jens.
I'm Tony.
And if you're new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. We stayed up all night in order to deliver you this 48-hour review. Make sure you like and subscribe. First things first, it works on Android and iOS, and we've been using this with Android 10. Unfortunately, there is no LTE version available and you have to connect it via your phone.
The watch only weighs 70 grams. The bezel itself is made out of stainless steel and it comes with Gorilla Glass.
It does come with Wear OS, which means you have access to Google Assistant, Google Pay, Google Fit, and the Google Play Store.
It connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and has an always-on AMOLED display with 454 by 454 resolution, up to 1000 nits brightness, which can be set to manual or automatic. The strap size is 24 millimeters.
Let's get into our first 48 hours of usage, and we're going to share our findings, what works and what doesn't work.
Category number 1 is productivity.
Wear OS means Google through and through. And starting with Gmail, you can have this on your Suunto 7 as a standalone feature on your watch, and you have that familiar Gmail interface. You can also integrate your Outlook details if you want to. You will stay with the Gmail interface, but it is possible to integrate other email clients.
And the same goes for the calendar.
Same goes for the calendar. I have set a calendar on my phone, a calendar entry, and it syncs nicely with my watch, and I could see that I have to finish the 48-hour review today.
So your assistant then also will naturally be Google Assistant.
Yeah, the Google Assistant, and here's the thing I love about the Google Assistant on my watch, or probably the Google Assistant in general. As you know, I'm not native English, but it never ever misunderstood me when I was talking to it so far. So that is absolutely fantastic, and I like that, because sometimes you just get frustrated if you're not native and you want to speak to your personal assistant. But this one, thumbs up.
Another thing we've downloaded is Google Notes.
Google Notes is also fine, and because the Google Voice Assistant works so well, you can add notes by speaking to it. I need to pick up my dog at 8 tomorrow morning, and it worked. I press OK, creating note, and it tells me or asks me to add a reminder, which I'm going to do.
Category number 2 is social media and music. As far as chat is concerned, we have downloaded Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, and we have been able to chat between each other with no problems whatsoever. What we did have a problem with was downloading Twitter. We haven't managed to be able to do that yet.
Work.
It doesn't
Not available.
work. But YouTube does work.
YouTube works fine, and as soon as you connect your headphones, because it doesn't have a speaker, you can watch your YouTube videos.
On top of watching your favorite videos on YouTube, you can also listen to your favorite podcasts.
Only through a third-party app though.
And when it comes to music,
Music is something I discovered that Suunto doesn't even know, because they advertise on their own YouTube video, which they released 2 days ago, that you can only stream music. Play my playlist. And I found a hack. It's not true. So you can stream music via Spotify. This is correct. You have your phone in your backpack, you go jogging, you go hiking, and you can only stream your music. But via Google Music, you can download the music. So you have your playlist or whatever music you downloaded with you on your watch, and you do not need a phone with you.
so you can watch your favorite videos, you can listen to your favorite music, and listen to podcasts. What else can you do?
So what about calls? Do you want to call me?
I'll give it a go.
All right, let's go. Okay, I have to go to the phone. I can't answer the call on the watch, but I have to go to the phone.
I can hear you already. Hello.
You have, of course, the Google News application. You can see your Google News headlines if you want. You can download Washington Post or New York Times, all available if you feel you need that.
Category number 3 is connectivity, calls and notifications.
Please send me something.
Would you like something through Facebook, darling?
Something nice. I want bubbling hearts, flowers, champagne, bottles, whatever you feel like. I want to see this coming in on the Suunto 7 watch. Connectivity is via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and I don't know which Bluetooth version it has on here installed. It didn't tell me anywhere. I had zero trouble connecting any Bluetooth device, and I'm pretty pleased about that so far. Any major software update and upgrade you have for this watch will be performed via Wi-Fi. The Suunto 7 doesn't have any speaker. That means when you open up an application like YouTube or music, anything that requires a speaker to be connected, you have some sort of little quick connect icon, and you tap that, look for your device, connect, voila, you're done.
For navigation, we obviously use Google Maps.
You should reach your destination by 1617.
It has the offline maps already installed, but that's like for fitness tracking and what have you. And this one only works when your phone is connected. So when you go out and go jogging, Google Maps will not work. It will only work with your phone nearby.
Category number 4 is battery life and charging time.
Well, look, I used it for the last 48 hours, and for moderate use, it got me going for 48 hours. If it is kind of heavy usage without workout though, then it is a day. When you include the workout, then it will be different. We will be testing that soon. Charging time, 1.5 hours is a full charge, and it has some sort of quick charge. When you have a 20-minute charge, then you achieve 2 to 3 hours usage.
Look, Suunto 7 is so involved that we decided to do a dedicated fitness review video to recognize the features and functions of the fitness device.
Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us in order to see this. We are already in the making when you watch this video. Jens here from Space.
Tony the Cat Geek.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.